Hey, what's up, guys? We're back exactly where we left off in the last one. So, if you guys didn't see my last one, well, you guys should stop right here and go back to that one. So, we stopped we're gonna resume exactly where we stopped last time. So, I went ahead and ended that, and then now I'm starting a new one, just because I'm awesome like that. And I'm gonna shout out to crazy feed. I don't know what his name. I don't know. Just look for two guys. Two guys, one cup. I don't know. I suggest you guys never watch Two Girls in One Cup.
Never watch it.
Yeah, you shouldn't watch it. I suggest
Only
not
have
watching
3
it.
videos and our channel sucks.
I suggest you do not watch Two Guys in One Cup. Especially not Two Girls in One Cup. Oh
2
my.
guys in one picture on YouTube.
Wait.
Named Crazy Face. They get pretty crazy and and they do videos together like a girl and a guy.
Dun 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 dun.
One's with a full hawk, and another is with some other haircut.
Warning!
And then another one.
Warning!
They do snowboarding, and they drink coffee drunk.
Wait,
Dun, dun, dun.
wait. I got this. Warning! 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 Approaching cinder block over by trash bags. Warning! Ghosting! Warning! 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 Okay. So I'm ashamed. Stop laughing at me!
Hey, you should friend me on Steam.
Yes, I should friend myself. And you too, I mean. I'm just the best, man. Just the best. He agrees.
And nobody can beat me at legs.
I can beat you at legs, bro. Leg me, bro. 1v1 me, Amazon. I bet my package will get
My
here
legs
sooner.
are like so muscular, and they're like really hairy. It's like a jungle down there. Like you don't even know.
I'm done.
Guys, let's do some Star Wars. Do Starship.
I've never played that one. What the crap? What is up with this kid? I don't know what's up with this kid. Hey. Do you know the Muffin Man? By the way, I have to press a button to speak in any Gmod game. Sadly, it's stupid. And I swear I'm gonna slap someone and just like... But, oh well. Go! I am gonna die. Very, very soon. Coming soon! To a theater near you. So, I want to ask you guys... I'm gonna ask this kid a question. And I hope you guys...
Hey, do any of you guys have a superhero like me?
Mine's Deadpool, man.
Really, mine's Twerk Man.
Twerk Man, the twerking giraffe. We all...
No, it's a video of me twerk.
Dude, just stay out of this. Dude, come on. Everybody knows that PewDiePie is a giraffe. Everybody knows this. Come on.
PewDiePie's gay.
Hashtag PewDiePie giraffe. You know, the last time I've watched PewDiePie was like 2 years ago. I don't know, it's been a while. The last one I watched was his stamina. What the crap? Dude, come on. Come on, chill out. Oh, God.
I don't like being by myself. See, I'm a lonely guy in my real life, and I don't like it.
What? You just said you like it, then you say you don't like it. You are a racist. Wow, that prop has been banned from the server. Of course it has been. Wow, I'm running right by a bunch of hunters right now. I'm just improvising at this point.
What?
I'm just improvising.
Dog, guess what? That is how I am, so... And by the way, I'm not 10. I'm 10 and 1/4. So...
Dang, that makes
You
such
can go,
a
like-
difference.
Yeah. I'm not even 10, I'm like 14.
No lies! Whoa, come on, face me,
14
bro.
years old minus 4.
Yeah, dude, redneck math, bro.
No, that's not my age.
Why can't I see any tables? What? I can't see any tables. So, earlier whenever I saw someone as a giant table, well, I figured they were a giant table because they were hitting a bunch of things all over the place. And dude,
That was me!
oh, I couldn't see what he
That
was.
was me!
I couldn't see what he
I
was.
couldn't figure out how to get into one of those like paper towel things, so I just kept clicking yeet.
Dude, when in doubt, press E. Or do what I do.
Go around pressing E and jump.
That's what I did. I just run at the people and jump at them. I'm gonna do that. Challenge
Dude, I'm
accepted.
Spider-Man.
Challenge accepted. I'm gonna rush and try and jump over everybody's head in one life. Challenge accepted.
Seriously, the only guy left on our team?
He's in a corner.
Well, screw this.
He's, you could say that he, I don't know how to describe this.
I'm a bottle on your mother. Oh my god. This sounds...
Just come and take a seat. Don't judge me. I'm gonna... Oh boy, you
Don't
really
judge me.
sound 10 years old. Now. 10 now. Who you calling
I'm not 10 years
boy?
old.
Who you calling 10, boy?
Jesus Christ, everybody just started talking.
No way! I'm done.
Dude, do you have a big ass? That's what I like to throw my money.
Oh yeah.
Then I knew to. Ha! JK. Darn.
I thought the can over here!
What do you think you're doing, Miley Cyrus? No. No. No! You've been a naughty girl, so I'm coming with you.
Your whole life you've been a crazy
I'm locking us in this room.
Miley Cyrus,
Crap, there's someone else in.
I ask only one thing.
I feel like blowing myself up right now.
I ask only one thing of you, Miley Cyrus.
Will you marry?
Do you really come
Oh
in
my
like a
God.
wrecking ball?
Dude, you were naked on that. You're a great singer, but you're a horrible talker. No, don't leave me. Don't leave me before this computer. What?
It's just all like Kobe, and then you miss by like 6 yards. Yep, that's me.
It's like, no, dude. Pow.
New challenge. I challenge myself.
You said it so fast, it sounded like.
Oh, Kobe.
I have a new challenge. I want to be the biggest.
Miley Cyrus, I'm spectating you right now.
That's scary.
You know what? That's
Telling
racist.
people that I'm spectating you.
Your little dog picture is scary.
Come on, dude. Come on.
No, Miley, you died. Miley.
You were my idol. No!
Man, give me $1, man.
Hey, you in the room. Stop. Put down the chair. Good boy. Good boy.
Okay.
Okay.
Get over there.
Shit.
I don't like being good.
Oh my gosh.
Jesus.
I just literally watched that and I just see you freaking just fly across the room after that.
It was like peaceful and surprise, motherfucker. The whole room just...
I'm not freaking 12, kid. Stop it. I mean, that's all I've heard you say for the past 10 minutes.
Give me
Dude,
$1,
you 10.
man.
Dude, I'm not 10. Dude, really?
I know. Is that really what it sounds like?
No.
Oh, okay then.
Or is it?
Your whole life, you've been afraid of
Hey,
college.
listen, don't make fun of me. I'm just barely hitting puberty. God damn.
Yeah, that moment when it finally happens. Oh my god, like seriously, that. Like today, I was having just a fantastic day. No.
I'm still spectating you.
Holy sh...
Shh. Just accept what just
There's a
happened.
difference between puberty and possession.
What the heck? You just moved out into the hall.
No, there's not. No, there's. No, there's not.
Oh. Okay.
No. Just no. It's creepy. My aunt can probably hear everything I say.
There's some time.
What the...
It's funny. She's probably listening right now. She just.
Are you
comes in.
joking or laughing?
Archie won.
No, I'm a loser in my heart.
Seriously?
Here we go, guys. Everybody move out.
Bottle behind the couch.
Fuck this being an old man. Fuck it.
No,
No, open the fucking door.
I'm trying. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Guys, guess what?
That
I'm back.
booty drop like the bass.
I'm staying with
Jesus.
man.
Oh yeah, hey. Hey, how you going? How you doing, man?
Hey, I'm that little bottle in front of you.
Yeah, you wanna stay in the sketchy ass corner with me? Chill out here with me. This is the sketchy ass corner. We all chill out over here, okay? My head, it's a good spot. Get on my head. You'll be safe.
Your whole life, you've been
Don't
afraid of
break
reading.
it. Jesus. Yep, there you go. We're gonna win.
I'm gonna win. Let's go.
We're
I
gonna
still
win.
have my challenge of jumping people. 1, 2, no!
There you go.
No, I had 2.
Obese, Obese, you have to spectate me and, what's his name, the puppy guy, get some more.
Oh, I see
Puppy
you.
guy, yep,
I see
puppy
you
guy.
too.
Yeah, this is gonna
We're
work.
gonna
Yeah,
die,
we're
we're gonna
safe.
die, we're gonna die.
We're gonna make the lead, alright? We're fine. Calm down.
Dude,
We're not
dude,
gonna
as
die.
long as he doesn't see your brethren.
Jesus.
We're gonna die. We're
Are
gonna
you
die.
kidding me?
Your whole life, you've been afraid of cans.
I have been. How didn't you know? Be
Nothing
smart.
happened
Be smart. Be smart. Don't become a giant green thing.
Go, 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 go.
there. Oh, you lived,
Yeah.
Mr. Bottle? No, not you. You died, son.
I jumped 2 people.
You
I'm
done got
happy.
blown up. Yeah.
I jumped
Your
2
record.
people. Yeah.
Once you do that round, I jumped 2 people. Oh, okay. Hello, okay.
Okay. It's all good now. Yeah.
You guys see me right now?
Dude, you missed.
How did you live? I just bailed. I'm still an old man here, but you know what? I'm just gonna
You
run right
live?
down the hall.
You live?
Yeah, I live. I'm fine.
I
It's
live
fine.
too. I just like messed around with that guy big time. Where the heck did you go?
Well, one idiot just shot a table out.
Turn
Wait
around.
a minute, hold up. Yep, just gonna.
Hey, Albans, do you see me right now?
Oh, see you later, bud.
I'm watching Matt. Watching Me's
Someone's
electrical ale.
Oh my god, that sounds like a new ice cream.
Hey, what did you have for supper? I had Miss
I little kid, who
Electric.
is this?
I am me. You are me. We
We're gonna be
are
crazy.
all
Who's this little kid?
little kid.
You know what? If he needs me, he needs me. Let's go. Let's do this shit. If he needs me, he needs me.
I didn't spot me.
Yes. Peace out, bitches.
I can't see what you are, but I can see what you're moving. That's retarded.
Who? Me?
Yeah. You're sit. I can see,
I'm
Jude.
a bottle inside of a body. I'm a bottle inside of a body.
So, Sniper, I have a situation.
What type of situation? Like a, physical situation, or like...
It's you know, it's one of the ones where you like, you know, running through the 6 and then, you know, the guy kind of just looks at.
So,
Check now, but-
you're on a table, right?
I'm
Ain't
just gonna
nothing
do that.
about it.
Did
Run.
you do that, Dave?
Run! Run!
Oh, no, God, this guy's looking at me. Okay, bye, buddy. No, wait, coming
Dude!
back. Nope.
Dude! You gotta jump somebody.
Okay, I'm safe. You know what? That's it. That's it. I need to jump somebody.
Do it. Do it. Dang it.
I've already jumped someone and I
Alright.
live.
I jumped someone. Okay, so I know you're being a little turd and hiding in
Okay,
someone's
I don't
butt.
trust in you, but
He's hiding in a butt. I'm not gonna lie, he's hiding in a butt.
he's a piece of shit.
Fucking 10-year-olds, all you motherfuckers ghosts and shit.
What the heck just happened? I just like flung, like I didn't even do anything.
Okay, bud, you can stop jumping now. You're trying to get me dizzy. Oh, fucking idiot. You missed your nade a little bit, buddy. Jesus.
Yeah.
Yeah, boy. I have a new challenge. I'm gonna become the biggest thing possible and win.
I'm
The
a
most
bee.
obvious
Yes,
ways.
here's the deal. Everybody become vending machines. We'll live it.
Yeah.
Yes, us three, we must meet up.
Once you do that, man, I hurdle people as a vending machine and then twist them.
Hey, stall Ashley, don't swear. It's bad words.
Yo, dude,
Squeaker.
why you gotta...
Why you said squeaker? How does this fucking Xbox 360 2009?
I'll show you a squeaker, boy.
We got an old man here. I don't know what he's doing. Okay. What the hell?
A ton of people just died. Like seriously,
Yep.
don't kill.
Yep.
You go, what the hell happened in here?
A twerking session.
Fires everywhere.
You
I'm
know
not like
what?
Cyrus when I have some
Yeah,
fun.
yeah, yeah, Sniper,
Hey,
guess
hey.
what?
What? Kobe!
You son of a bitch! That's what I was exactly gonna do. You son of a... That was my example. I love how we both look at each other like, wait a minute.
One of
And
us
then I'm
is
like,
gonna
yeah.
do this. One of us is gonna do this.
See, look at it piled up in this corner, so I think, you know what? What's the big, yes, I got an idea. Please tell me no one did this. Oh my god,
Listen, be
yes.
Kobe. Electrical, be Kobe, be Kobe. Go like bomb that area. and just put the bomb on
It was funny because you shot
that
directly
was
down.
a good one.
Oh, that was hilarious. You just shot directly down. How do I add
Dude,
you?
we're the three noob YouTubers.
How do
We're
I
the
add
three
you guys,
Kobe's.
boy? I need to add you guys to a Skype call.
Somebody just tried kicking you.
What's his name? What's his name? What's his name? Oh, yeah. Don't judge me. Okay. I'm gonna add him. View friends list. Add friend. There's Och. There's Ocha. Be. Go. The real Bon Jovi. I didn't see him. I don't know his name. Now the other one, Miss Select. Select.
What are you talking
Hey,
about?
what's your very first name before you ever changed it?
I change it. Someone is a hacker.
Okay, here's the
Actually,
deal.
someone
Everybody,
was
vending
lying.
machines. Everybody.
No, I'm gonna be something bigger.
It'll be something very small.
I'm something very big. Can you see me? Dude,
Oh,
can you
Beast,
see me?
can you see me? I'm like right at the
Why do you
spot.
want to kick that guy? Why do you want to kick that guy?
Dude, really? Stool? I don't even know your name. You need to
My
calm
spot is so
down,
good.
boy.
I'm never, guys, my
Did you just
spot-
call him Stone? Fucking Stone.
Hey,
Oh god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
You okay?
How?
Yo, so, Sniper, are you alive? Yeah.
yeah. It was so hilarious.
I'm alive and I don't know
Someone
how.
looked at me. I'm the biggest thing possible. Someone looks at me. And it's all like, this looks normal.
I'm gonna win! Yes! Yes! I'm gonna win! Yes, my spot's gonna bring me to the end.
Okay, I gotta find his name. Okay, so, Ojo. Is that it? Really? There's Oco Blanco. Yeah, whatever. It's Blake. Oco Blanco. That's him. That friend. Next is, what's his name? Miss Select. Miss Select. Come on, that's his name. Did I really just misspell that? Hold up. Yo,
Sniper, are
I
you
added
shitting
you.
Me?
I
Are
added.
you shitting me? Are you actually shitting me? No.
No.
Stop.
I
Stop.
told you. I told you what I was gonna be.
That's bullshit.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh my god.
There's nothing odd about this at all.
How did, oh my fuck.
Shit.
Jesus Christ.
I'm gonna keep
What a
taunting.
babe.
You know the
You
muffin.
taunt all you want, buddy.
They're never gonna
I
kiss.
feel very confident about your spot, Sniper. It's the best thing in the world.
I'm watching you right now?
Yes.
Does that make you uneasy?
Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do?
So close, I'm right under there.
Wash away those bad moments of Prop Hunt. Just wash them away.
Oh, I sure will. Don't worry. It's so funny because someone died in front of me.
I mean, you just swallowed that nade because you're the size of a goddamn truck.
I know,
You just
right?
There's no way this kid doesn't. You gotta be shitting me, right? What the fuck? I don't know. What does that kid think? The freaking. He's like, nah, this can just casually levitate. Fucking idiot.
Oh, this looks natural. If I win this, I'm done. If I win this, I'm gonna lose.
But well, there's soup
You're not
under
gonna
you,
win this
but.
because I'm also winning.
Wrong washer, buddy. Hello? Just eat the bullets.
Nope. 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 Jump 1! Jump 2! Let's go! Let's go! No! I jumped 3 of them! Oh my!
Oh my god. I feel very confident about your spot too. You're gonna win.
No, why'd you close the door? I'm not gonna be able to get out now.
Nah, dude, Cyrus, I don't think you would fit through the goddamn door.
Damn it. You idiot in the room.
Oh. I need to remember his name, man. Oh my.
Did you do a suicide?
Aw. I wanted him. I can't see tables, don't forget.
Come into it, Sniper. Just come into the kitchen. I have something to do.
I'm coming. I'm coming. No! I beat you to it.
Oh yeah,
Oh, there was someone in there! There was someone in
You
there!
wanna go, bitch? This watermelon love fucking come! Get out of here! Everybody's dead now, I'm safe.
Oh,
Jesus Christ.
what's this?
Jesus, everybody kitchen's clear! We nuke the goddamn room. Everybody leave.
That's a guarantee. Oh, that's a guarantee.
I swear, if someone walks out that door, they're getting paid $25. PayPal.
I swear, if there was someone in there, the whole entire— Oh
baby
my!
coming in! Baby coming in! Get his ass!
Wow.
Hey, did you like those jukes ever went into the laundry room?
That was me.
Yeah, I'm back in there, by the way. I went right in between the door as you were.
Yeah, I was a giant washing machine that lasted until 24 seconds. I think I have the best spot ever.
Apparently people think that washing machines float on paint cans.
Yeah,
That's all I'm gonna say.
that's facing backwards. Yeah, that's normal. That's
That's how I do my laundry.
yeah. I just put it on some paint cans, 4 of them. I just let it ride.
Yeah, that's good.
Oh yeah.
You lost me, didn't you?
Nutty, are you that can, buddy? Cause
Yep,
yeah,
I'm the
you are
can.
juking. Yep, alright.
I've been spelling his name correct. That's stupid. Select.
Yeah, it's like
Oh,
15 or 1, give it like a question.
oh,
Does that mean that somebody's watermelon?
yes.
Nope.
Alright then.
Somebody's watermelon?
By the way,
I was trying to avoid the obvious. Watch out!
Yo,
I got
you
the watermelon!
just go ahead and add me on, Steam. Just go ahead. Do it. You know you want to. I got Echo, and now I need you. Okay, it's funny. You know what's so funny about this the whole time?
No, what?
I've been
See,
recording.
2 guys right now. That one, they both have shotguns.
Watermelon!
What if I told you this whole time I was recording?
Did what's his name?
Come on, Stole
What's his
Ashley,
name?
you only got 30 seconds. Oh, come on. That, oh, whatever. He just suicided. He just shot right at him all. That was...
Hold you, bitch, Kobe.
Rechat.
But we're playing. I would stop doing your Steam. You do realize that, right?
What?
Oh, okay, somebody's a vending machine. Okay, good start. I like it.
Thank you for that tip right there.
Oh yeah. I am
Was that
beautiful. Do you see me up here? Does anyone see me up here? If no one sees me, I'm literally gonna quit. Because...
What do you mean you're a hunter?
What?
No, he's not. He's not a hunter.
Oh, I thought you were talking, Nutty. Okay, so now you just told them, Sniper, that you're
Get
up
out of
someplace.
here.
Oh,
There you go,
Nutty!
buddy.
Nutty!
Oh, there you go. Jesus.
Come on, Nutty. I was a twerking
No
baby.
shrimp.
Come on.
You were not even twerking on my screen. You had to actually be twerking for me to believe you're twerking.
It was on my screen. I have video proof. I do.
Dude, I just laughed because that Elijah guy just
Sniper, do
blew
you
up
see
like
me?
the whole side.
I'm gonna beat the shit out of this Paulo. You ready for
Hold
this?
up.
Let's go,
Hold
motherfucker.
up.
Let's go.
Wait and
Let's go bring it.
bows. Them boys from Detroit. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next one. Alright.